Laughing out loud. Unpacking, roll in the aisles. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible. Today, we're diving into a humorous and vivid phrase, roll in the aisles. This expression paints quite the picture, doesn't it? But what does it mean, and how can you use it in everyday conversation? Stay tuned as we explore the origins, meaning, and usage of this entertaining idiom. The phrase, roll in the aisles, is used to describe someone laughing very hard and uncontrollably. Imagine someone finding something so funny that they could roll on the floor of the aisles in a theater, laughing. It's a metaphorical expression that captures the idea of laughter so intense, it's as if the person can't even stay seated. The expression has its roots in theater culture, dating back to a time when live performances were the main form of entertainment. The aisles in a theater are the pathways between seats. The imagery of someone rolling in these aisles suggests a reaction to something hilariously entertaining or absurd. It's a throwback to the days when comedy plays and vaudeville shows often had audiences in stitches, sometimes quite literally rolling with laughter. Using roll in the aisles in conversation is a great way to emphasize the humor of a situation or a joke. For example, if you watched a comedy movie that was exceptionally funny, you might say, "That movie had us rolling in the aisles." It's a colorful way to express that you found something incredibly funny. Tips for usage. Best used in informal settings. This phrase is perfect for casual conversations with friends or in any relaxed, informal context. Emphasize the humor. It's a way to highlight not just that something was funny, but that it was exceptionally hilarious. To help you better understand how to use roll in the aisles, let's look at a few examples. The comedian was so good, he had the entire audience rolling in the aisles. Remember that time we tried to bake a cake and ended up with a disaster? That story still has me rolling in the aisles. I need a good laugh. Let's watch something that will have us rolling in the aisles tonight. And there you have it, folks. Roll in the aisles is all about sharing a good laugh and appreciating those moments that make us laugh so hard, we can't even stay in our seats. We hope this video has not only added a fun expression to your English vocabulary but also brought a smile to your face. Remember, laughter is a universal language, and expressions like these help us share joy no matter where we are. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging English lessons. See you in the next video.